What up, gang? In this video, we're gonna talk about 4 easy ways to instantly look more confident as a rapper. This never hurts. Let's do it. Let's do it. Never hurts to look more confident. I'm Rob Level. This is Smart Rapper. You about to get smarter, all right? We can get right into it. It's gonna be a fairly simple video, but you need to understand that first impression when somebody sees you, very important. Also, they see you in a picture, okay? See you in a music video, right? There's things that are gonna matter, as well as type of things you're talking about, your brand. We're gonna talk about this really quick, okay? Number 1, your body language, right? That's the first thing, that the key thing. People see how you walk. People see your posture. They see if you keep your chin up. They don't see it consciously. They see it subconsciously, because those are the things that reflect and tell them, oh, that person's confident. You can see when somebody's walking, you can tell if they're confident, and you can see if somebody's depressed looking, you can see if somebody has no confidence, you can see if somebody has anxiety. You can see those things and identify them. But as an artist, you're supposed to have that self-belief. You are unique, you're a creative, there's something special about you, and that should reflect, right? It doesn't necessarily just have to be confidence, but it should be at least show the confidence in your art through the way that you look, okay? It's very important to think about that. So keep your chin up, put shoulder blades back, you know what I'm saying? Try to sit up straight, much stuff like that. I mean, little stuff, stupid stuff like that, but it's true. It really will help you. And you're gonna need a lot when you go out, you're networking, you're meeting people. Those things really are gonna attract people to you and make them take you more seriously, okay? Number 2, that's gonna make you look more confident as a music artist, as a rapper, is to know your current rap trends, things that are going on in rap right now, because if you're gonna talk about them, it's important. You're also gonna understand and see the marketing, all these other things that are happening, as well as that knowing rap history, at least having it to a certain degree of understanding. And there's a lot of reasons for that, but understand that competence is confidence.
He ain't lying.
And competence is when you know a lot about something, you're competent, right? The more you know, the more competent you are. And that's why somebody who's like thinks that they know it all is extremely confident in that situation. They think they know it. They're like, no, I'm right, and I'm confident that I'm right? And if they really know their stuff, like if you're arguing about history with a history teacher, he's 100% confident that he knows what he's talking about.
I'm for real. I'm for real.
And that's the same thing with you. If you know what you're talking about, because you're studying the business, you're studying the marketing, you're knowing the rap trends, you're knowing all these other things, it's going to translate through how you talk about them. And it's also going to translate in your music, how you speak about them and write about them when you're making your lyrics and delivering these songs. Everything adds up, my friend. All right, let's go to number 3. Third thing that's going to help you is to find your brand archetype and build your brand around that. Because if you know your brand messaging, your brand, your image, and your look, your confidence will skyrocket. And if you're like, no way, but it will, because you will know exactly who and what you are, what you represent, everything. And most artists feel lost and don't know who they are or who they're becoming. You know, they may think that they do, but they don't. They also don't know what their next steps are. But the thing is if you build your brand early in your music journey, which is why it's the first thing I do, is give you a $300 masterclass. That's the branding accelerator for music artists inside of the music industry shortcut. Okay, it's the first thing I give you is that. I'll put a link below for that, because it's a $300 masterclass. You get it for like way cheaper than that, okay? If you start and work on your brand early in your music journey, you will become massively confident and you will blow up way faster. I promise. I wish I knew sooner how important this was. I just wish I understood how important the business was and how important marketing was from the beginning, because those would have been the 2 things I really focused on. Next to music, I would just focus on those 3 things, truly. I mean, isn't that kind of all there is, the marketing, business, and the music? I would have focused on more specific elements that I know matter, such as part of the business, which is branding, and specific parts of marketing, which I know work, because I've tested a lot of things and a lot of it didn't work, but now I know it works. And that's what I teach you in the masterclasses. I have entire marketing bundles. You can check those out below, all right?
Oh, God.
Really quick, if you could hit that subscribe button for me, I really appreciate it. Growing this channel allows me to help more artists like you and me, so that we can keep getting further faster together. That's it. Let's get back to the video. Number 4 that's going to make you more confident is to know your fashion. People judge you based on your clothing. They associate you with who is this, what crowd are they in. If you can tell when somebody's gothic, you can tell when somebody probably going to the country club with that sweater looking like you're gonna get choked out, you're going in the wrong neighborhood with it. You know what somebody's about from the way they dress, right? Like me with the chains. Like, look at this. Look at the difference here. Actually, I'm just gonna do this because I'm on camera. I can already see it. Look at the difference between, okay, I got these on. You're like, okay, cool. That guy's kind of got some swagger, maybe, whatever. White guy, yeah. What happens when I pull this next chain out? When this next chain comes out, now you think I'm a rapper. A little bit more, don't you?
Yeah.
Only thing that changed was a chain that looks like a rapper's chain is now on me. That's the only thing that changed. Then if I tuck in the chains, you couldn't see the chains?
Come on.
Do I not look completely different? All that happened is the chains went away. Your choice of clothing and accessorizing, watches, rings, okay, APs.
Come on, man.
I'm sorry. Shouldn't be a douche, just being funny. But your choice of these things and knowing how to dress, see the color combination and stuff like that. I'm not gonna go far into it, but I got black on this wrist, I got some black on this wrist, and it matches. See how it all matches with the shirt, okay? Little pieces. If I take off this one bracelet, it actually completely changes the look, right? Actually takes away from it. That adds to it. So there's little things like that. You understanding your fashion, how do your clothes fit you? Because people are gonna judge you based on that, okay? And your clothing choices will come from your brand's archetype, right? And what's really helpful is inside of my branding accelerator also made our lookbook. So when you choose your brand and you find out which archetype your brand is, there's clothing associated with it, including the color psychology and all that stuff. Like, I did that work for you. I put so much stuff together for you guys. You have no idea. Because I had the branding accelerator, the lookbook, and you have the style Bible, and all kinds of other stuff. And you get this as soon as you sign up for the music industry shortcut, like instantaneously.
Damn, he good.
I'm gonna put a link below for you for that so you can check that out, okay? Because I want you to become more confident. I want you to have a reason to continue forward by knowing this is the music I make, this is who I am, this is my brand, this is how I dress. I'm now confident. The confidence will build and show in your music and help you continue believing in yourself and moving forward. There's all this stuff adds up. Serious.
I like this,
okay?
man.
So I'll put a link below for the music industry shortcut. I'll give you some free stuff just for going and check it out. I'll put it there for you in the top comment and in the description at the top, okay? All this stuff's gonna be below. I'm Rob Level. This is Smart Rapper. You just got a little bit smarter. Hopefully I get to see you in the music industry shortcut because I do live calls every Friday. You can get on a live call with me, ask me questions. All right? Hit me with a subscribe. Hit me with a like. Comment below if you have any questions. I look at those. And I'll see you in the music industry shortcut. Keep hustling, and I'll see you at the top.
Chop it, break it, flip it, shit all day. Chop it, break it, shit, flip it all day. Chop it, break it down and flip it all day. Chop it, break it down and flip it all day. Chop it, break